uned hon, dyn ni'n mynd i ddysgu am y geiriau bach neu'r arddodiaid. In this unit, we are going to learn about the little words or the prepositions, specifically ar, am, at, wrth, I, dros, o, and heb. A preposition usually indicates the position of something in relation to something else. Yn y fideo hwn, dyn ni'n mynd i edrych ar, am, ac at. In this video, we are going to look at ar, am, and at. Yn gyntaf, firstly, let's look at ar. We use ar after the verbs edrych, gwrando, gweiddi, dwlu, and dibynnu. Gadewch I ni ymarfer. Let's practice some examples. Dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Edrychwch ar y llyfr. Look at the book. Gwrandewch ar y rheolau. Listen to the rules. Roeddwn ni'n gweiddi ar y dynion. I was shouting at the men. Dwi'n dwlu ar y siocled. I love chocolate. Mae'n dibynnu ar y tywydd. It depends on the weather. When using prepositions with nouns, people, or things, no endings are required. For example, ar siân, ar y plant. When followed by a pronoun, for example, ti, hi, fe, ni, however, the correct endings must be used. Edrychwch. Arna I. Arnat ti. Arno fe. Arni hi. Arno ni. Arnoch chi. Arnyn nhw. Da iawn. Nawr, dwedwch ar fy ôl I. Repeat after me. Edrychwch arna I. Look at me. Edrychwch arno fe. Look at him. Gwrandewch arna I. Listen to me. Gwrandewch arnyn nhw. Listen to them. Gwych! Nawr, gadewch I ni edrych ar am. Now, let's look at am. Am is frequently used to mean about. Look at the following endings when am is followed by a pronoun. Amdana I. Amdana ti. Amdano fe. Amdani hi. Amdano ni. Amdano chi. Amdanyn nhw. Iawn. Ailadroddwch ar fy ôl I. Repeat after me. Beth amdana I? What about me? Dwi wedi bod yn meddwl amdana ti. I have been thinking about you. Beth amdanyn nhw? What about them? Dwi wedi bod yn poeni amdano chi. I have been worrying about you. However, notice that am can also mean for in some cases. Enghraifft, dwi wedi bod yn chwilio am Dewi. I have been looking for Dewi. Dwi'n aros am Seren. I'm waiting for Seren. Yn olaf, at. Lastly, let's learn at. We use at in these phrases. Cofio at, to remember or to give regards to a person. Ysgrifennu at, to write to a person. Mynd at, to go to a person. Anfon at, to send to a person. Troi at, to turn to a person. Cyfrannu at, to contribute towards. Ychwanegu at, to add to. Taflu at, to throw at. Again, we must use the correct endings after a pronoun. Ata I, ata ti, ato fe, ati hi, aton hi, ato chi, atyn nhw. Mae hi'n amser ymarfer. Dywedwch ar fy ôl I. Cofiwch fi ati hi. Remember me to her. Give her my regards. Cer ar ffurflen at Rhys. Take the form to Rhys. Rhaid i chi droi at y bwrdd gwyn. You must turn to the whiteboard. Bydda i'n anfon llythyr ato fe. I will send him a letter. Da iawn wir. There was a lot to learn in this video. Nawr, cwblhewch y gweithgareddau yn yr uned. Cofiwch, Dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo yma eto I adolygu. Now, complete the activities in the unit. Remember, you can watch this video again if you wish to revise. Pob lwc!